Hi guys, this is Young and today I have my buds. I'm sure the most anticipated function of the buds is the wireless charging, which you can do with your latest phone. So right now it's 15% on the right earbuds. So let's see how long it will take to actually charge up this earbuds. Wireless Powershare. I'm gonna put it on top of here. Can you see the red light that came on? Okay, I believe last time it was 90% and then now the battery of the mobile phone went down to 83%. My Galaxy Buds actually went down as low as 15%. And then after about 35 to about 40 minutes of charging, because at the beginning I wasn't entirely sure where to place them just below Samsung logo. And if there's no device connected to the mobile phone, Wireless Powershare will switch itself off. You get up to 40% and it hardly uses up the battery of the mobile phone. So I can really see it is a great feature, and that's actually the main reason, probably the only reason why I actually ended up getting Galaxy Buds. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you!